spaghetti alio olio. What we need for it is Parmigano, some anchovies, chili, and a lot of garlic, some parsley, and vino, salt and pepper, and of course linguine. So let's go. Garlic. Extra virgin olive oil, and we need olive oil, and a lot of it because alio olio, and some chili. This is not so strong. I'm chopping this anchovies, and anchovies I'm bringing, not smelling or tasting like fish after it. It's giving a very rich base flavor of salt, Mediterranean. The anchovies, they will melt, they will disappear. The chilies will give their flavor to the oil. The pasta, we want to have al dente. And al dente pasta means, it has, we would not eat it. Why we want to have it like this? It's easy, because it will not stay like this and we will not eat it like this. We want to give the al dente pasta into our alio olio, our special flavored olive oil. So pasta, it will cook like 5 minutes, and I already chopped a bit parsley. I will give it in the early beginning, so we have a bit cooked parsley. So the wine we will give in shortly before the pasta is coming. The Parmigiano, be careful, don't make too much of it. It will be like a cheese sauce. Half a handful. The pasta, let's check it. Very easy way to get the spaghetti or linguine in our case out of the big boiling water is take a knife. Wait a few seconds till it steams off and then you can touch. Take it out and directly in, and of course I forgot the wine. So this we will give immediately in. So the first water which the pasta will suck in now, because pasta consumes a lot of water from here, from the pot. It will be a bit sour flavor, the good wine. And now something crazy will happen. 1 spoon, 2 spoons, this is what we need. And then we will stir it a bit. And you see, it disappears. So at the bottom, there is not a lot. And when it disappears, another spoon. 1, 2. You see here, it's creamy. And this we repeat till it's not sucking in any more water. And this is what we want to reach. A creamy sauce without making a sauce. The pasta is creating the sauce by itself. This is what is the secret. And this needs a lot of tries, retries, and it took me 3-4 times till I got it, but it's possible.
One eternity later.
The rest of our parsley, salt and pepper, give it heat. And in the end, what we put in? Parmigiano. Our great pasta, creamy. At the end, a bit Parmigiano. Just at the top, a few flakes, not more. That's enough. That's what we have. Delicious pasta alio olio. Way too hot, of course. I burned my face. Bye.